I received an order from Amazon today. Today is January 2nd, 2022, and this is the box that it came in. And this is the boxing knife that I use to open it. And I opened my box and I recognize some of the things I ordered. I reached in and yes, this is my order. And I ordered some toothpaste, and this is my order. And I ordered blades for this boxing knife, and this is how it came. None of the blades, I'm going to try to move this carefully. None of these blades are in the packet. They're actually, some, as you can see, are underneath the fold of the box, making this extremely dangerous. But none of the blades are inside the package. The package looks like it has been opened. I don't know if it opened during the shipping or it was opened when they put it in the box. But for every single blade to be out of the package, I find that very odd. And we have cats, as you can see, there's one of our cats who absolutely loves boxes. And I'm so glad I did not put this on the floor and one of the blades were still under there. They could have jumped in the box and gotten seriously injured. And I could have gotten injured opening this box. So I'm recording it and I'm reporting it.